So hi guys, good day. So today we are going to design a kind of sticker using Pixellab. So let me enter my app here. So the canvas that we will be using is the width should be 1 to 80 and then the height should be x on that. So here is it. Now let me go to shape and then I will actually make up a shape like this, and then I will go to my marks, and then I will just kind of design a shape like this. Alright, here we go. I will go with this shape like this. Let me expand it. So here we go. I will change the color to be, sorry, let me just input, let me import the image. Here's the guy here, so I will just figure him out here. Just kind of expand this. So here we go with this one. So for the color of the picture that I just did, I will just go to his own plotting and just figure out a color from there. So I can use this as the color. Let me just expand this. So now I can actually lock the layers. So let me go to color, the main color of the background. Should I leave it like this? Go to GraduationStickers. Let me just put this color. So here we go. So I will actually import some of the images that I want. Say this one. And this too. So for this I need it to be around here, but I will just kind of leave it here. And then for this, let it be around this axis, although let me do the writings before anything. So for this, write the congratulations. Then for the color of congratulations should be this color. And then I will go to fonts. I will go with this. And then I will go to fading. So this is it. So I will write on your, there should be a uppercase letter. Then I will go to this and then I need them to be white. Then for the fonts, I need it to be neutral regular. Then I'll go to background. Then make it this red. Make this 125, make this 1256. Okay. Now for the padding, it should be this. Sorry. And then for the radius, it should be this. Let's say 7. Then I'll reduce the size. I'll write graduation, uppercase letters. Then I will go with the second background that I will be using. The second. I will go with let's see go with this. I'll go with this, and the color should be black. So now I will just go to my gallery and just import a kind of So let me go to color filters and then make the color to be this. And from here, I will just write ceremony. Then for this, I'm going to pick a color that a font that I use already. Let me pick a neutral regular. Let me pick this. I've already used it already. So let me pick it. So we are going to make it, this should be white. We just reduce the size to fit the place. And then so here we go. I will copy this and then write from so let me just kind of put the name of the guy here, which is Theophilus. So the fonts I will be using is for the color should be white, although I can change the fonts to this. Let me just use this. Then I'll go to stroke and then stroke it with this, and then go to shadow and then put a little shadow on it. So now I will just readjust it to be this. Although the stroke level should be 1, and then let me go to this and then copy it again and then put in this one, Luca. Alright, now let me just copy this and put the date 26 January 2025. So for the name of the school, let me edit it. Let me just expand this. So for the name of the school, I will go to text and then write Silver Gate College of Technology. Of Health, Science and Technology. So for this, I will make it to be black, and then for the font should be neutral blue. So I will just reduce the size. So here we go with this one. So now we are good to go. So I can actually go and then pick this again. I'm going to use it. So let's say like this. So now I think we are good to go. So if you want another background for the thing, you can actually change it, but this is what I'm going to use for now. So if you actually want another background, you can change it to your. So I will go and save my image here as ultra, and then I can proceed to my snapset. And from here I will pick the design and then do let me put this, and then for the color balance I need a second. Pick. So depending on how you actually need it. So here is it. I will just have my work here. So here is it. Here is your design. You can see how clear it is, so you can actually send it to your printing. This is just a sticker design. Thank you very much. See you on the next class. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can go along. Anytime I post any video, you can see it and then turn off your notification. Alright, thank you guys. See you on the next class. Thank you.